So what are we doing?
So what are we doing here is we're gonna build another one, and you need, this is what you need first, as whatever this, I forgot what these called. This is a crafting table, and if you know what this is, and if you comment in the video if you know what kind of crafting table this is.
Okay, hold it steady so I can record it. Okay.
And here's my Jeep I made. So what you need here to grab the seat, you want to flip the seat over. Looks like that, but if it doesn't work, take the back piece off, put the seat in the back to look like the crafting table's riding on a seat, but if you turn it around,
Okay.
it looks like, and in a few minutes I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and I'll show you, I'll be starting this, okay?
All right.
If you remember the old video I made where the bed is, that was a few minutes ago. If you remember that, comment, and if you don't, just say, Kirk and Charlie, do you can you build that bed again? And we'll do. So this is what it looks like here again. And if you can't see it clearly, I'll show you at the end of the video what it looks like in. Okay, so you put the crafting table back on.
Okay.
It looks like this when you put it back on. It looks kind of, it looks the same, and then you put it on the bed like this to look like. And then the next part, and if you know what these are called, comment, and I'll give you a shout out for $30.
But I'm zoomed in on the bed, on the platform. Oh, you moved it away. If the battery's getting low, just heads up.
Everyone, if it will tell you if it turns off, and we'll finish the video later, okay?
All right.
Okay. Dad, how much power does it have?
A couple minutes.
This is what it looks like now. And here come bandits, so if you recognize them running down here, you better watch out. If that was a grass broken, I'm running up there soon.
No, it was the front door, the handle.
And I want to show you how to make a literally box out of this thing. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and a 3, 2, 1. Boom!
See, hold it steady. Let me see it. Hold it steady. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna make something else doing this.
Okay. We got 1 minute left in the video.
Yep, this is gonna be the last you're gonna see till the camera runs out. And then y'all show you what it looks like, and okay? Everyone in the video is watching. Come on. We're making a video. And that's my mom, and that's my mom right behind my dad.
Alright.
And now what you need next is you're done.
Cool.
And what you need next to do is put it on the bottom. Look like comes our pepperoni. And I will make for sure. This is what it looks like. And this is my monkey. And
All right.
bye. Hope you have a
Bye.
good day. And
You too.
subscribe and like and comment so you get shouted out for $30. Bye.